Hi, this is Ashley, the founder of Health and Diet Advice, and in this video I am going to teach you how to lose some weight in a month. To help you achieve this, I will give you some essential tips and immediate practical guidance so that you can increase weight loss and have more energy. So if you'd like to know how to lose some weight in a month, keep watching this video. Reaching any weight loss goals that you have can be a big challenge, regardless of how much weight you want to lose from the beginning. However, by taking it one step at a time and making a few minor adjustments and changes to your diet and lifestyle, this can make weight loss much more manageable for you over the long term. By making some small changes to your daily routine, you can safely and effectively lose up to 10 pounds, which is about 4.5 kilograms in just 1 month or within a 5 or 6 week time frame, which will help you hit your weight loss goals quickly and easily. In this video, I am going to give you some essential tips and tricks on how to do this. Tip number 1. Do more cardio exercise in the week. Cardio exercise, also known as aerobic exercise, is a type of physical activity that increases your heart rate to burn more calories and strengthen your heart and lungs. If you add more cardio to your routine, this can be one of the most effective ways to quickly increase weight loss. There is some basic fact behind this theory. One study in 141 obese adults revealed that by combining 40 minutes of cardio 3 times per week with a suitable weight loss diet, decreased body weight by 9% over a 6-month period. Another 10-month study found that by burning either 400 or 600 calories 5 times per week by doing cardio exercise resulted in an average weight loss of around 8.6 pounds, which is the equivalent of 3.9 kilograms, and 11.5 pounds, which is around 5.2 kilograms respectively. If you want to reach the best results, you can try to fit in at least 20 to 40 minutes of cardio daily, or about 150 to 300 minutes per week. Some examples of exercises that can help you do this include walking, jogging, boxing, biking, and swimming, and these are just a few of the forms of cardio that can boost weight loss fast. Cardio can help you burn more calories to increase weight loss quickly. Tip number 2. Reduce the amount of refined carbohydrates that you have. Cutting down on carbohydrates is another simple way to improve the quality of your diet and further increase weight loss. It can be especially beneficial to decrease your intake of refined carbs, which are a type of carbohydrate stripped of their nutrient and fiber content during food processing. The thing is, not only are refined carbs high in calories and low in nutrients, they are absorbed quickly into your bloodstream. This causes blood sugar spikes and increased hunger levels, so there is a higher probability that you will overeat at mealtime. Several studies show that a diet high in refined grains is associated with a higher body weight than a diet rich in nutritious whole grains. One study in 2,834 people also found that people who ate more refined grains had an average more belly fat than those who ate more whole grain carbohydrates. For you to achieve the best results, you can swap out refined carbs like white bread, breakfast cereals, and heavily processed pre-packaged foods for whole grain products like quinoa, oatmeal, brown rice, and barley. Then you have refined carbs, which are low in nutrients. This can cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Research shows that a higher intake of refined carbs may be linked to higher body weight and increased belly fat. Now, I still have some essential tips to give you, so please don't go anywhere. But if you do want a complete weight loss diet program, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website, bit.ly/yourcustomketodiet, where you can get instant access to your custom keto diet weight loss plan within 5 minutes from now. Tip number 3. Start counting your calorie intake each week. In order for you to lose weight safely and effectively, you need to use more calories than you consume, either by decreasing your calorie intake or increasing your daily physical activity. By counting calories, this can keep you accountable and increase awareness of how your diet may impact your weight loss plan and strategy long term. According to a review of 37 studies in over 16,000 people, weight loss regimes that implemented calorie counting produced a result in an average of 7.3 pounds, which is the equivalent of 3.3 kilograms more weight loss per year than those that didn't. However, you should keep in mind that cutting calories alone is not considered a sustainable strategy for long-term weight loss, so you will need to pair it with other diet and lifestyle modifications. You can record your intake with an app or a food journal, which is a good way to get started. Counting your calories can help increase weight loss when combined with other diet and lifestyle changes that you introduce gradually each week into your lifestyle. Tip number 4. Choose healthier and lower calorie drinks and beverages. While in addition to making changes and minor adjustments to your main meals, choosing healthier drinks and beverages is another simple way to effectively increase weight loss over the long term. Some examples include soda, juice, and energy drinks, which are often loaded with sugar and extra calories that can contribute to weight gain over time. Conversely, water can help keep you feeling full and temporarily boost your metabolism to cut calorie consumption and enhance and promote weight loss. One study in 24 overweight and obese adults showed that drinking 16.9 fluid ounces, the equivalent of 500 milliliters of water before a meal, decreased the number of calories consumed by 13% compared to a control group. Another smaller study in 14 people found that drinking 16.9 fluid ounces, the equivalent of 500 milliliters of water, increased the metabolism by 30% after 30 to 40 minutes, slightly increasing the number of calories burned for a short time. To help you bump up your weight loss, you should try to cut out high-calorie sweetened beverages and aim to drink 34 to 68 fluid ounces, the equivalent of about 1 to 2 litres of water throughout the day. Things like soda, juice, and sports drinks are high in calories and can contribute to weight gain. Water, on the other hand, has been shown to decrease calorie intake and temporarily increase the metabolism. So try and drink a glass of water with each meal that you have. So if you would like a complete program that will give you everything you need, click the link below the video where you'll be taken to my website, bit.ly/yourcustomketodiet. Here is where you'll be able to get access to your custom keto diet weight loss plan within 5 minutes from now. Please check out the link in the description below the video. So now I would like to hand it over to you. Which technique from this video tutorial are you going to use first? You can tell me in the comments section below the video right now. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video and I'll be more than happy to help you and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can do this by clicking the red button below this video right now. That way you won't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us out if you can give the video a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for your weight loss plan. Have a brilliant day.